Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about whole numbers beta. Okay, so let's start with that. We have learnt that counting numbers are called natural numbers. The smallest natural number कितना होता है? Yes, 1. Natural numbers are denoted by n beta. So that means n मतलब 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. In our daily life, we come across many situations where the results can't be represented by a natural number. Suppose Gopi had 15 toffees, beta. So he gave 10 toffees to her sister and 5 to किसको दे दी? अपने फ्रेंड को दे दी. So how many toffees were left with him? कितनी बची उसके पास? Certainly there were no toffees left with him. So to denote no or nothing, one more symbol is introduced which is called zero. Yes, so it is not a part of a natural number. Natural numbers में zero तो होता ही नहीं है. So the set of natural numbers along with zero gives a set of numbers called whole numbers beta. So whole number means whole number को हम W से denote करते हैं और वो हमारा start होता है 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Hope you understood the natural number as well as the whole numbers nicely. Now facts to know. The number systems was developed in India around the 3rd century BC, but the use of zero started around 700 AD beta. In India, the word for zero was sunne, that means nothings. The Arabs called it ciphers, meaning nothings, which later become zero beta. Hope you understood. The concept of zero had played a significant role in the development of mathematics. It helped to develop the decimal place value system of numbers. In spite of having no value itself, zero adds to the value of a number beta. As we know, 10 becomes 100, 100 becomes 1000 and so on by merely adding zero. एक एक zero करने के बाद वो numbers हमारा change होता जाता है to the right of a natural numbers. So in this chapter we will learn about whole numbers, their properties and the process of formulations of pattern beta. Okay, so now first is representations of whole numbers on a number line. To represent whole numbers on a number line, we proceed as follows. First is draw a line and mark a point 0 on it representing the number 0 beta. So now after that, this is table 0, 1, 2, 3 ये line है हमारी. So mark another points to the right of 1 at a unit distance and name it 2 beta. Continue labeling points at unit distances to the right and label them as 3, 4, 5 और ये labels हमारा continue रहेगा. Okay, on the line as shown in the figures like this one. इस तरीके से आगे इसको हम labels करते जाएंगे. After that, now answer the following questions. What is the distance between the point 4 and 9? Obviously it's a कितने हमारे बीच में gap हैं? 5 units. 4 और 9 के बीच में 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units हैं हमारे. What is the distance between 3 and 7? 3 और 7 के बीच का distance कितना है? Yes, it's a 4 unit difference. So on the number line we see that 7 is to the right of 3. So that means 7 हमारा क्या हो गया? Yes, it's a greater than 3. Similarly, 8 is to the right of 7 and 10 is to the right of 9 beta. So thus from the number line we observe that the number on the right of the other number is greater number. Yes, right sides पे जो हमारे numbers lie होते हैं वो हमारे number greater होते हैं. Every whole number has its successors. Successors of 0 is 1, of 1 is 2 and of 2 is 3 and so on beta. So thus there are infinite number of whole numbers and 0 is the smallest whole number. Hope you understood all points nicely beta. So now next additions on number line. So कैसे हम add करेंगे numbers line में addition? Let's see. additions of whole numbers can be shown on the number line. Let's represent additions of 2 and 5. So here it is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 until 10. So from 0 we move 2 steps towards right. 0 से हमने स्टार्ट करना है और राइट की तरफ 2 स्टेप्स लिए. देन मूव 5 मोर स्टेप्स टूवर्ड्स राइट. सो हम कौन से नंबर पे पहुँचे? येस, वी रीच टू द पॉइंट 7. सो वी कैन से दैट सम ऑफ 2 and 5, 2 और 5 का सम कितना मिला हमें? क्लियरली 7 बेटा. This is how we just add on a number line. Now subtractions on number line. Subtractions of two whole numbers can also be shown on the number line. So let's 7 minus 4. 7 में से 4 हम माइनस करेंगे. So ये हमारी क्या है? नंबर लाइन गिवन है 0, 1, 2, 3 till 12 बेटा. From 0 we move 7 step to the right first and reach point A. 0 से हमने स्टार्ट करा है और हम 7 स्टेप में पहुँचे हैं. नाउ वी मूव 4 स्टेप्स टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ ए. उसके बाद आपने लेफ्ट साइड में आपने मूव करना है 4 स्टेप्स. सो वी रीच कौन से पॉइंट पे पहुँचे हैं? बी पॉइंट पे. सो विच रिप्रेजेंट 3. सो वी कैन से दैट नाउ द 7 minus 4 हमारे कितने हमें नंबर मिला? 3 बेटा. होप यू अंडरस्टूड द सब्सट्रैक्शंस ऑन नंबर लाइन. नाउ फैक्ट्स टू नो. If any whole number except 0 is subtracted from 0, then the result is not a whole number beta. Hope you understood. Now multiplications on a number line. Now we shall represent multiplications of whole numbers on the number line. Let's find 3 into 4 first. So like this one, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on given here. From 0 we move 3 steps towards right first. And reach हम कहाँ पर पहुँचे? पॉइंट ए पे. रिपीट दिस मूव 3 times and we reach point B. What does the point B indicates? It indicates the movement of 12 steps to the right of 0 beta. So that means 3 into 4 हमारे कितने हो गए? Yes, 12. Hope you understood all point nicely. Now exercise 2.1. Here it is given first question. Write the next 4 natural numbers after 10,799. So 10,799 के बाद क्या नंबर आएगा हमारा नेचुरल नंबर? 10,800. उसके बाद 10,801, then 10,802 and then 10,803 and so on beta. So this is how we just find out the natural numbers. Second one is हमारा given है write the 3 whole numbers occurring just before 12,001. 12,001 से हमारे कौन कौन से numbers occurs होते हैं? Let's see. Here it is given 12,001. इससे पहले हमारा क्या आता है? 12,000. ओके. उससे पहले हमारा क्या आता है? 11,999. उससे पहले 11,998. So this is how we just find out the numbers before 12,001. I hope you understood all points nicely. So these are the other question beta. You have to complete it yourselves. Now points to remember. To count things, natural numbers are used. 1 is the smallest natural number beta. The set of whole numbers is denoted as W. That means 0, 1, 2, 3. ये हमारे क्या होते हैं? whole numbers होते हैं. We can represent whole numbers on a number line. And after that हमने क्या सीखा? 0 is the smallest whole number. We can add and subtract whole numbers on a number line. We can also find the multiplications of whole numbers on a number line beta. I hope you understood all point very nicely beta. Okay, so with this we ended the chapter. You do practice and do rest of these exercises by your own.